Ba 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 ba. Who's a wand? Who's a conscience? But no one's but Jiminy. Yeah. What a day, everyone. You bet it was a day. Oh my god. Poor Oakley having to go through 8 to 7 weeks of college until summer arrives. Yeah, poor him. But hey, at least he's going to moving on to independence in College of West Anglia Foundation Inclusive Learning, which you can check out, guys, for September 2026 for all of the UK boys and girls out there. What? Nothing. Let's talk about loud noises. What bothers you, Jiminy Cricket? What really irritates me is the sound of bells. What irritates you, White Fang? The sounds of 1,000 cats. What can I say? Miss Rebecca Brown loves her thousands and bare feet. She is our type of girl. Now, how about you, Kevin O? Spiders? Spiders? There's already one here now. Wait, is there? What's happening, hot stuff? Mind if I join? Sure, Mr. Spider. Where the heck did you came from? I came from my warp. We're just talking about our stuff that irritates us. What really irritates me is flies. I hate flies, especially when they buzz around in my face. It makes me feel like I'm being chased like a bee. Really? Yeah, really. Why are we even whispering? Is it ASMR? No, it's not ASMR, but it's definitely awesome. Not all people whisper in ASMR. Unlike me, I have a quiet voice. Okay, what really irritates me is the sound of loud rock music. And the electric bill. Okay, we're back. So what irritates you, Alvis, when you're, yeah, what irritates you? Well, what really irritates me is when Oakley says that Anthony from South Africa bothers him. Oh, you mean that energetic bitch? You bet. Oh my god, he is so loud. I cannot with him anymore. You know what I'm like? I am in the head. Yeah, you are in the head. Heck, you can't even whistle. Yes, I can. Watch this. That was pretty cool. Yeah, pretty cool. I can't stand around for too long though. I gotta get back to my web. Okay, bye, Mr. Spider. Yeah, he's like hanging around like Taylor Pay. Taylor Pay? Who the hell's that? This weird kid with glasses and an afro that looks like it came from the 70s. You bet it does look like it came from the 70s. Even Shauna May is with him all the time, too. Like, what the heck? Yeah, I don't even know, dude. I forgot I'm mentioning all these people to YouTube. Why? Why are we mentioning names to YouTube? We're not supposed to say their full names. Well, we can. Because with the power of YouTube, we can do anything. Yeah. Especially crazy stuff. Yeah. But not sexy stuff, though, because we might get terminated. Is that everyone that has their irritations? Or am I missing someone? How about you, Oakley? What irritates you? Too many girls. Of course, too many girls, Oakley. Look, you have this new girl now named Erin Adams. Like heck, she's one of the best girls ever. From bridge to education. Yeah, heck, she has autism. Look, I'm speaking like Stacey Joe now. Wow. Ow. What the hell? Are you gonna be like this in the cricket movie 8? No, I'm not. I'm not gonna be like Stacey Joe Dent. Oh my god. What am I gonna do with you? Action. What am I gonna do with you? I don't know. Crazy stuff, am I right? You bet it is crazy stuff. Well, we are very close to the April 2026 recap. And believe me, this might be the longest recap you'll ever see. There. No more loud noise. Or tense music. I'll conclude it off. Ding!